or 100% funded by the assembly. 100%. Obi anywhere was spend 1 cedi. Aka the assembly or spend no.
Don't have a aka and your guard or your council when you much for Biana when you found in the Biaguma.
What there ye check out. You may say, was you ye check out. Dredging of the lagoon, will check out. Assembly, no, Abbo 100%.
I see.
Obi Chima engineer today, Akafona Ebo Zino. And NDC, constituency secretary, one of the radio stations there. Also, my mechanic could be some because also a buck out or talk cutlasses. Or monk of Wiziban, or yet them. Master, you listening to this and say, about some not working. I'm missing there, dredging of lagoon. Making a weeding of the lagoon. Even that one, workers now man. I gave ACA president 5,000 cedis in my office. They often go to your uncle.
5,000 Ghana cedis.
Malaman is got lead them scan man there. On the no go to ya. Workers in the Mint now and get 1 year maybe. Yes, 2 years working. Assembly, yet more she barrows, rakes, cutlasses. You can say one returning po. The mean now. And see, only a weeding of the lagoon.
Okay.
After cutlasses, cutlass would it a puma a machine would it become. Now may separate the two. There, I buy a door. I'm out for baby NGO because brown is ban. I was there in the NGO, no, all this been brown, the Sudu end of the lagoon. Rabana Yazi, she barrow no ni Akazel come on. And yeah, time a ward or lagoon.
Okay.
So they shouldn't confuse the public with the two.
The dredging and weeding.
Dredging is I am saying again that 100% by the assembly.
By the assembly.
What the baby cry ACA president? Your money fuel.